Holy deliciousness, I'm about to walk you through how to make this fantastic smoke bacon wrapped pork tenderloin on the Traeger grill. It comes together really quickly, so let's just hop right into the kitchen. My husband and I are doing this tutorial for you. So the first thing that you do is you preheat the Traeger smoker to 225 degrees, and then you prepare the bacon for the tenderloin. You'll see that we laid strips of bacon flat. You could also do a bacon weave, which is kind of like making a pie lattice in a square shape, but this is super simple. And as you see at the end, we kind of cross over the edges of the bacon over each other. It's important to know that we started with silver skin trimmed off this pork tenderloin before wrapping it in the bacon, and we also seasoned it with some barbecue rub. I think we used Meat Church holy cow seasoning. So anyways, it was time to pop this bad boy onto the smoker. So on the smoker it goes, it smokes for an hour and a half, and then you can take the temperature. You don't really need to at this point. We just do. And then you can add on some of your favorite barbecue sauce right on top for the final about 30 minutes. So in total, this smoker bacon wrapped pork tenderloin takes about 2 hours. We did this in a really cold Oregon day. We have since moved to Dallas, Texas. I'm just catching up on some of my recipes, so it's a lot hotter here, so I can't wait to make smoked foods here because Oregon was so cold and it took the smoker a while to heat up. But this took about 2 hours until it reached a safe temperature with this internal read thermometer of 145 degrees Fahrenheit for medium. So just let your smoked bacon wrapped pork tenderloin chill for about 15 minutes. Let it rest, let all the juices settle. Look how beautifully the bacon wrapped on the pork tenderloin sticks to it. We really didn't do anything. There was no oil or anything. We just wrapped it tightly and crossed over the bacon on the edges. Well, you can print out this recipe and so many more of my popular smoker dishes on the Traeger at sipbitego.com. I put a little barbecue sauce on the end, and I always sprinkle herbs on everything, so this little cilantro too. Hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Until next time, see you later. Bye. Cheers.